All right, this is at Macy's in Vernon Hills, Illinois. Let's see here. Doors open. We have to manually open the gate. All right then. Lift it up. Jeez, this thing's heavy. It's got a big floppy bumper thing. Oh, it's a safety edge. Interesting. All right. Close the very heavy gate. It's apparently car S1. All right. Used to be a Westinghouse. All right. Huh? Why's the... Oh, look, the door only goes this far on this floor. Strange. The door is a lot narrower in the basement. All right, 3 is locked. Wait, is this the key? Is this... I think it is. I guess we can go to 3. Funny, they have like music playing in the elevator, in the freight elevator. It's kind of creepy, honestly. Authorized personnel only. All right, well, I won't get out here. Back down to 1. You can hear the generator. This was originally a Westinghouse. There's the... Oh, look, it says Marshall Fields. Here is your panel. This was modernized, I believe, by Universal. It's the rare GAL VR buttons. Oh, that's closed. Now we gotta open the gate ourselves. I'm just gonna pull it up just enough for me to slip out under so I don't have to pull the thing all the way up and down. Anyway, now we must be polite and close the doors. Anyway, security doors. That will be it.